My coworkers, they don't know what bibimbap is, so I decided to invite two of them for a very casual bibimbap party at my house and introduce them to bibimbap. So pap is a Korean term that refers to cooked rice, and bibim means mixed or the act of mixing. So bibimbap is a Korean dish where you mix together assorted cooked vegetables and sometimes bulgogi, which is Korean barbecued beef, and sometimes fried eggs sunny side up, all mixed with rice and then flavored with a couple of spoonfuls of red pepper paste sauce that's both spicy and a little sweet. And this video shows how I set the table for my party so that people can just select whatever toppings they want to put in their bibimbap. The standard staple vegetables that are normally put in bibimbap include gosari, spinach, and soybean sprouts. Gosari, which is sautéed stems of a type of edible fern called bracken or bracken fern, is easily recognizable because it's brown. I wouldn't have known how to describe the taste of gosari until my coworker said that it tastes like mushroom. And they totally loved it. It is a little nutty and meaty and chewy all at the same time. And I cooked the zucchini and carrots by sauteing them in a little bit of salt, but I bought all the other vegetables from a Korean grocery deli where they sell prepared foods. And the cooked or sauteed vegetables you add to bibimbap can vary. When you order bibimbap in a Korean restaurant, the vegetables that come with bibimbap are variable depending on which restaurant you go to, and they often include carrots, zucchini, sometimes mushrooms, and other types of greens. The carrots and the zucchini are frequently julienned, but I'm not good at cutting vegetables, so mine are round because I just slice them straight down. And Korean people often eat makeshift bibimbap at home, and that tends to include various types of kimchi that people can just pull out of their fridge. And Korean people love putting tons of sesame oil in their homemade bibimbap. And sometimes people add sesame oil into the sauce, but I didn't do that. And so here I'm just demonstrating for my coworkers how to put the bibimbap bowl together and how to eat it, how to mix the sauce with the vegetables that are on top of a bed of rice. And then you might just taste a little bit. Okay, that's all. And then here you are seeing my coworkers putting together their own bibimbap bowl and doing it just as I had demonstrated. And so the sauce is actually critical to making bibimbap taste really good. And it's actually really super easy to make. Basically, you take some red pepper paste called gochujang that you buy from the store. I get whatever happens to be on sale or is the cheapest, and I get the big tubs because they're the best value. Nowadays, all the brands, including the cheap ones, taste pretty good. And then you just add a little bit of sugar to taste. You can also use corn syrup or some Chinese duck sauce to sweeten it, and then so that's it. So this is a giant tub that I bought. Anyway, the verdict is that my coworkers love bibimbap. They really enjoyed it, so I guess it was a success.